Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video covers my personal experience with the platform. TokenTax, https://tokentax.co, is a cryptocurrency tax software platform designed to simplify the often complex process of calculating and reporting taxes on your digital asset investments. Navigating the world of crypto taxation can be a daunting task, with constantly evolving regulations and the intricate nature of transactions across various exchanges. TokenTax aims to alleviate this burden by providing a user-friendly interface and comprehensive tools to streamline the entire procedure. The platform supports a wide range of exchanges and wallets, allowing users to import their transaction history automatically. This automated integration significantly reduces the time and effort required to manually track and categorize every single trade, deposit, and withdrawal. Accuracy is paramount when it comes to tax reporting, and TokenTax emphasizes this by offering features like cost-basis tracking and robust reporting tools. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, or for situations involving more complex transactions, TokenTax provides options for manual entry and adjustments. This flexibility caters to both novice and experienced cryptocurrency investors. The software generates various tax reports, including Form 8949 and Schedule D, which are essential documents for filing your cryptocurrency taxes in the United States. Beyond just generating tax reports, TokenTax offers additional resources and support to help users understand the intricacies of crypto taxation. They provide educational materials and access to tax professionals, ensuring that users have the guidance they need to confidently navigate the tax season. While TokenTax is a paid service, they offer different pricing tiers to accommodate various needs and trading volumes. From casual traders to high-volume investors, there's a plan designed to fit different budgets and transaction complexities.